Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to create table of contents. So if you want to use the table of content, you can use the search bar. Ini I will type table. So this is for table of content, and then you can see the contents will be shown in headings 1, headings 2, and headings 3. As example, for this overview, I will set into the title. And then for key feature, set into heading 1. And this option, heading 1 again. And for compatibility, I will set into heading 2. And also in here, heading 2. Now you can click like in this paragraph. And then you can type again table. I will choose these settings. You can click and it will be automatically create table of content. So you can see the content will be have the key feature. You can set this into heading 1 and document headings 1 for compatibility headings 2 and this evaluation heading 2. Okay, that's it for basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to create table of contents. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.